Mercedes girl, and is this, how to say, blocking knob is not working. You cannot switch front, rear locked. Is when you start car is coming light and after a couple seconds off, and in rear axle coming like this fault. And I was almost sure that that engine is faulty, because it was with like this engine, this control motor in this rear differential. But what I found out, that if I put this was new, it's not working. Another one was very rusty, so it's throw away. This one is used one from good car, and it's same fault coming. So after that, I tried to search what is difference, and here, oh, I can show you. Wait. And here you can see it spins like it's nothing there. It have no tension. And yes, it's something broken inside this. Let's go another one. Another one from used but from good car. It's moving, but it have spring some. I cannot show with. I cannot show with screwdriver because it's like, oh, and it's coming back and coming back. Focus. So this one is have tension inside this differential. This in car is damaged, have no tension. So now must install this one and gonna see what it'll be, and I am sure is no more fault. And this fault is coming because in this have no tension and motor not see position, and coming like cable problem. And those motors is both good. See you next time.